Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create new user in Active Directory on server 2025 and log on user Windows 11 second generation. Go to Server Manager. Go to Tools. Click Active Directory Users and Computers. Expand domain name. Select Users. Right-click on Users. Select New and click New Users. Type here user first name. I am given it name called Bob. Type user logon name, Bob. Click Next. Set up a Bob user password. Type confirm password. Uncheck the user must change password at next logon. This means user cannot be able to change password at logon. Check user cannot change password. Check password never expires. Click Next. Click Finish. Now our Bob user is created. Now I am going to log on Bob user on Windows 11 machine. This Windows 11 machine is already a domain member. If you do not know how to become a domain member, then how do I join the domain? I will put the link of that video in the description box. Click on Other User. Type here username Bob. Type here Bob password. Press Enter. Now it will take some time, it's make Bob profile. Now Bob user is log on successfully. So viewers, in this video tutorial, you can learn how to create new user in Active Directory on server 2025 and log on Windows 11 second generation. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.